हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट। आज आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ मैं ऑर्गेनिक हार्वेस्ट की विटामिन सी फेशियल किट का रिव्यू। सो दिस इज़ द ऑर्गेनिक हार्वेस्ट विटामिन सी फेशियल किट. It has got 5 steps and this is good for all skin types. The actual price of this kit is rupees 345, but with some trial offer they are giving it for free and taking only the delivery charges, which is rupees 99. So these are the contents of the pack. Step number 1 is the cleanser. I'll quickly wash my face using this cleanser and then start with step number 2, that is scrubbing. This is the organic scrub. I'll apply it all over my face and neck, and with the help of my fingertips I will scrub my face for about 2 to 3 minutes. If I talk about this scrub, it's got very tiny granules. It's not at all harsh on the skin and it's a nice scrub. So now I'll wash my face and yeah, skin feels really soft. Now step number 3, the organic massage gel. According to the instructions given on the back of the pack, you need to apply it and then massage your face for about 7 to 8 minutes. So this is what I did. So I used all the product which was there in the pack, and there's decent quantity which is enough for one time use. The consistency of this gel cream, it's very light and it got easily absorbed into the skin. There was no need to wipe off my face, and I am going to switch to the next step now. Now the next step is the massage cream. According to the instructions given, you need to apply it, leave it on for 10 minutes and then massage for 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe it off with a wet cloth. I don't know, but I was a bit confused because the product, it did not feel like a massage cream. The consistency was very sticky. It actually felt like a face pack in the pack of a massage cream. I don't know what, or there was some printing mistake on the pack or something like that. But I massaged for 2 to 3 minutes and you can see that I'm not able to move my fingers freely and it felt very sticky. I chose to wash my face instead of using a wet cloth to wipe it off. After washing my face, I moved to the next and the last step, which is the serum. So what is written on the pack is serum, but what came out of the pack is actually not the serum but a face pack. So now I'm sure there is some mistake, printing mistake on the pack, or the packs they got mixed up. I don't know, but something is wrong. Keeping the confusion aside, I applied the pack, left it for about 10 minutes and then wiped it off using a wet towel. Now to complete the facial, since the serum is missing, I'll apply the Pond's gel cream. And my facial is done. If I talk about this organic harvest vitamin C facial kit, it is actually a nice kit. Let us keep aside the fact that all the packs, they actually got mixed up and there was some printing mistake, but otherwise the kit is fantastic. Thank you guys for watching. Stay happy. Bye bye.